Hello everyone, I'm Saurabh, and today I will explain how to generate bearer token using SOAP UI. In the previous session, you learned how to generate bearer token using Postman, and here we will learn how to generate bearer token using SOAP UI. So as we are going to use SOAP UI, you must download SOAP UI from Google. It is freeware and you need to install it on your local PC. Apart from the SOAP UI tool, we also need some other information which will be required to generate the token. So we need token endpoint, we need application ID, and client secret. This information should be provided by application owner. Now let's switch to the SOAP UI tool, which already I have installed on my local PC. Here you can see SOAP UI. I have installed version 5.5. This is freeware. As I said, you can download it from the Google and you can install it. So I have to select here, I have to create a new project. So you can go to the file and from there you can click on the new REST project. Now you have to mention here URL endpoint to generate the token. I copied the URL, I pasted here, and once I click OK, you can see this screen. Method type should be post. See, there are other ways also to generate the token. Some inbuilt features are also available with the SOAP UI, but I'm not using inbuilt feature. This is a normal way to generate the bearer token. So now I have mentioned the URL. Now I need to pass this information. This information must be provided by application owner. So here you can click on the plus and you can enter the property name and then its value. Similarly, one by one, you have to enter client ID, secret, resource ID. Resource is nothing but the application ID on which you will be giving access. So I have already entered this value in one of the project. So I can show you here. So see here, I had entered grant type, client ID, client secret, and the resource. All this information will be provided by the application owner. And yeah, don't forget to select this checkbox before executing. So now things are ready. You can see URL, all parameter has been set. Now I'll be clicking on the run. So here you can see that bearer token has been generated and you can use in your application. Also, if you want to check its expiry, bearer token expiry, so simply what you can do, you can copy this information, this token, and for example, I pasted here. You can take this token and you can go into the Google, and in Google you can type JWT. So by using this URL or this page, you can extract some information from the token. So for example, this expiry, this information is in non-readable format, but once you bring this mouse, you can see here that token is valid for up to 8:13. So currently it is 7:14. So approx 1 hour, this token will be valid. So here we learned how to generate bearer token using SOAP UI. Thank you very much for watching my video.